guys now. I'm just getting around the door frame so I could just, I'm hitting it with the brush first so that I could just hit it with the roller and make it way easier for me. Again, guys, this ain't science. You just gotta be patient about what you're doing, and always enjoy what you're doing, because when you enjoy what you're doing, you fall in love with it. It's like having your first girlfriend, all the women you love. So, you enjoy what you're doing, man, you fall in love with it. I swear to God, no BS. All right, so I enjoy this. I enjoy this. Went through the ups and downs of life with everybody. I ain't the only one. You know, I'm a psychologist, teacher. What I like doing is as a matter of fact, is starting to become like a hobby for me. You know, I'm not getting paid for this. This is mine. This is my house. I'm doing this for myself. But again, if you want to hire me, if you want to pay me, I'm all for it. I ain't gonna say no to money. Hard earned money, I ain't gonna say no, man. I know I got my back to the camera, man, but I can't be facing the camera and trying to do my job. All right? So, can't do two things. I know how to multitask, but that I can't do, I'm sorry. So, all right, simple stuff. Just gotta be careful. Always have a rag with you, all right? In case you drip some paint on the floor. People do not like that. You gotta make that a habit. People don't like that, man. They say you a messy painter. Believe me, they won't hire you anymore. They'll hire you one time and that's it. You hit, you through. No BS. All right? So, got my paint in this little cup that I purchased. This is a cup strictly made for a brush. Put some paint in it. You wipe your brush. Make sure it's not dripping all over, even though sometimes things just happen. All right? So, here it is, man. I'm enjoying this. Again, I've been up since 6. I've been up since 5. It has to be around 7 already. I think I'm gonna finish this before 10. And I'm just taking my time. I could do this faster. I'm taking my time. This is for me. Ain't nobody waiting on me. Well, yeah, I at least gotta try to have it ready by Monday. Monday I got work. As a matter of fact, this afternoon I got a class. And I gotta try to do whatever I'm gonna try to do to this wall, at least in the morning time. Because at 2 o'clock, I got a class. Okay, I'm a jack of all trades. People see me now, all dressed up in these raggedy, dirty, painted t-shirt and these shorts, but you know, later on I gotta hook myself up. Gotta put on my formal shirt and my formal pants, because I gotta teach. I want people to you know, I respect people, I want them to respect me. And your appearance counts, right? You ain't gotta agree with all the stuff I talk about, man. This is my video. I talk what I want to talk. You want to talk what you want to talk, you make yourself a video. And you upload it. All right? So, this is my time. Just hit the thumbs up on that video, man. And I don't know, if you think you learned something from this, or if you think you already know this, fine. If you think you can learn something, or you learned something from this, amen. Amen. Oh, yes. All right, so let me just stop this video. I don't want to make no long video where people just get bored of watching and and listening to what I'm saying. You know, for some of you guys, what I'm saying is BS. But you know, if you think you, again, I'm gonna repeat myself, emphasizing. If you think you can learn something from this, remember, I'm a teacher of life. Okay? So if you think you can learn something from this, hey. Salute.